Hey there, so I'm in Spokane, Washington. We're at a place called Allie's Vegan Cafe and Pizzeria. We'll go ahead inside, let them know that this is the reason we came to Spokane.
All right, so here we are inside Allie's Vegan Cafe and Pizzeria in Spokane, Washington. Just take a quick walk through here. Everyone else left, so we're all alone, so we don't have to worry about anybody being upset that we're getting them on video. Except Lisa, she's here, but she won't get upset. So that was our table. I've got pictures. I'll throw them up right now. So we already got started here. We got some, what is it, the olive breadsticks with some marinara sauce. We got Arnold Palmer's, it's basically just lemonade and iced tea. And then we've got a veggie pizza. It's got some, I don't remember what it was, walnut pesto?
Yeah, walnut pesto.
Yeah, so it was walnut pesto and then just a bunch of veggies on top. And some balsamic vinegar reduction. So that's what we're having for lunch, and then maybe we'll see if that's enough.
Yeah, we got the onions instead of the mushrooms.
Yeah, because mushrooms are evil. So we're gonna eat now. There's a couple plates. We told her we didn't need new plates, but then we were taking pictures, so we kind of had to get new plates so they were nice and clean for our next set of pizza. We ordered cheese sticks, and then we had a veggie pizza, and then I was like, I need to try the cheese and stuff. I want to see what her cheese is like and the pepperonis, and so we had to get a pepperoni pizza too. So now we're full, but we have 5 hours to drive until our next stop. So, and that's Allie on the phone taking an order right now. So, but great place if you're ever in Spokane. Make sure you stop by here and check it out. All right. Talk to you guys later.